How to make cinematic text in CapCut. Let's get into it. Start by creating your text layer, type in your text and customize it however you want. This is the font that I'm using in this case. Next, we want to come up to Effects, search for Blur, click on this blur effect and drag it above your text. Next, move forward 5 frames using your arrow key. Set the blur to whatever amount you want. I'm going to go 65 and create a keyframe. Next, move about a second in, come up to the blur settings and set it to 0. This will automatically add a second keyframe. Next, select both the effect and your text, right click and then choose Create a Compound Clip. This is going to remove the blur from your video and just have it on the text only. Next, move your playhead back to the beginning. Make sure you have the compound clip selected, then come up to Video, come down to Blend, set the opacity to 0, make a keyframe, then move forward 5 frames and set the opacity to 100. This is going to add this nice fade-in effect with the blur. Next, move your playhead back to the beginning, select the compound clip again. This time come up to Transform. I'm going to decrease the scale here by about 15%, then create a keyframe, then move about a second or so into the video and set the scale back to 100. And when you play this back, you'll have this cinematic text effect, and that's all there is to it.